Do you need these? If you have these already, let's put into the test and see. We'll start with the bronzer. Now the other side. Definitely cooler. Here's the bronzer. Even though this one is cooler, it doesn't seem like it's that much of a difference. And let's do the blushes. I'll use this one here since it is kind of the same consistency, which is shiny and sparkly and glowy. And now the other one. This one is a different color. It's more of a peachy than pink, and I took too much. Way too much. Here are the blushes. Hourglass, Natasha Denona. And now let's do the highlighters. Do you see that? Yeah. This is more yellow base. This is more golden. Let me see that. They were really pretty. And that's about where the comparison ends because nothing else is common. You get two finishing powders with this one and another blush, which is matte. And then with this one, you get a contour, which could be very helpful if you like to contour, or you can use it on your eyes as well. So if you have this one, do you need this one? I kind of like this one. So I'm glad I picked it up, honestly. I think that it has things that I don't have with this one, especially the blush, because the blush is pink. Both of them are pink, which is kind of my jam. So I'm glad I picked this one up. I don't think that's much of a difference between the bronzers, even though this one is warmer and this one is cooler. But I mean, you be the judge. Be whatever you want, do whatever you want. But yeah, this is my take on it.